In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Canva on Windows 10 or 11. We'll go step by step so you can get the desktop app set up quickly and start designing without relying on your browser. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that you have permission to install apps on this PC. Start by opening your preferred web browser, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you normally use. In the address bar, go to the official Canva download page for Windows at canva.com/download/windows. Using the official site ensures you're getting the latest, safe version of the app. On the download page, click the button labeled Download for Windows. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. If you're prompted to choose a location, save it to your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. If your browser shows a small download bar or an arrow icon, you can watch the progress there. Once the download finishes, open the .exe file. You can launch it directly from the browser's Downloads panel or open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. This is a standard user account control prompt for trusted installers. When the installer window appears, click Install. Canva's setup is straightforward and doesn't require extra configuration for most users. Just let the installer run. You'll see a progress bar as it copies files and prepares the app. Wait for the installation to complete. This usually takes a minute or two, depending on your system. Keep the installer window open until it confirms that the process is finished. When it's done, you can close the installer. Next, open Canva from the Start menu or the new desktop shortcut. To find it via Start, click the Windows icon, start typing Canva, and select the app with the purple C icon. If you opted for a desktop shortcut, you can double-click it instead. Finally, log in with your Canva account to sync your designs and access your templates. Enter your credentials and, if you prefer, choose to stay signed in so you don't have to log in every time. After you sign in, you'll land on the Canva home screen and you're ready to create. And that's it! Canva is now installed on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.